phone.
It's Daddy's phone. Aww. Are you being sweet?
Yes.
Rare moments?
Yes. Yes.
Beautiful girls. Good morning guys! Happy Thursday everyone! As you can see, nandito tayo ngayon sa tram stop. And what's exciting guys is mag-isa lang si mami nyo! Oh my goodness! This is very rare guys. I'm very excited kasi ako lang mag-isa ngayon. First time ko maglakad-lakad ulit sa street ng Melbourne by myself. Si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids guys ay nasa hotel pa and they're going out later on. But si mami nyo ngayong umaga ay merong appointment guys. So see, kahit nandito tayo sa Melbourne ay may appointment pa rin tayo. So I'm just getting my hair washed and dito blue wave bongga. Holiday na holiday talaga ang peg ng mami nyo guys. So I'm just waiting for my tram. Ayan, darating. 11 yung appointment ko guys. At alam nyo ba, itong pupuntahan ko ngayon na Korean hair salon, ito yung pinupuntahan ko before nung single pa si mami nyo guys. And I think they moved now. So hindi ko na alam kung saan talaga sila ngayon. But I will figure it out pagdating ko ng city. Kasi they will be just around the city naman. I'm going back there after like, what, 7 years now? 8 years? Alam nyo ba? Today, I think this is the coldest day since dumating kami nung Thursday. And alam nyo ba, si mami nyo ay naka-flats lang. Ako na talaga ang nag-flats sa Melbourne ang ginagawa. Itong mga tao dito guys ay naka-boots, naka-jacket, talaga naka-puffer jacket. And si mami nyo naka-shorts at naka-flats. Brisbane na Brisbane. My tram is here now. Where's my ticket? Nakababa na ako in front of Melbourne Central guys. So the other day, nung kasama namin yung bestie ko guys, dyan kami. So yan yung State Library. So yung ating pupuntahan na hair salon ay sa street na to, itong maliit na street na to. It's Little Lonsdale Street. See, 6 minutes. Not far at all. Okay lang na maaga ako doon guys kasi I feel like hindi sila busy, so I could do it earlier. Actually, let me just grab some coffee. Chocolate Carrier, some churro. I have hot chocolate here. Ooh, got my hot chocolate guys. Alam niyo ba, kailangan kong umalis doon sa unang pinuntahan ko kasi sobrang tagal niya, baka malate ako. Asa na ba ako ngayon? Okay, pedestrian across the road. Asan ba tong hair salon na ito I think it's just there. Alam niyo ba, sobrang humangin guys at oh my god, ang tinggal ni mami nyo ay nagkurog-kurog guys. Kasi tingnan nyo naman pa outfit ni mami nyo. Tinitingnan ako ng mga tao sa may basang labuang sa bahanan to. Oh, I can see it now. I have an appointment at 11, so still a bit early. Yes, that's me. Thank you. hair. My hair. Ano ba? Bagong ligo. Fresh yung hair ni mami mo. I'm out! Ayan na ang aking hair, guys. Parang nag-dark ang color ng aking hair. Bakit ganun? Sa lighting siguro, ano? Kasi hindi naman ako nagpakulay, guys. Nag-color, ay nag-ano lang naman ako. Ito na yung natural color. Natural color. Ito na yung kulay from last time. Kasi, tsaka mo pa makikita yung tunay na kulay after few washes. So, punta muna ako dun sa Melbourne Central. Titigin ako kung saan ko binibili yung aking contact lenses. We'll see if they have it in stock. Pretty House Cosmetic. Diyan ko binibili ang aking mga contact lenses kahit nasa Brisbane ako, guys. Hi, how are you? I actually just sent a message on Instagram. I don't know if just checking stock. Hang on. Oh yeah, okay. I think it's in this one here. Do you have that in stock by any chance? So wala sila nung bet ko, guys, but this is the new brand. Okay.
Olive, Monastery, Hazel, Monastery.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.
Do you need to get like solution as well or just these?
Just those. Yeah, I have one at home. These socks are cute. 3 pairs for 20. Yeah. I bought a few stuff, guys. Si Daddy Mike ay tumawag sa akin. Sabi niya ay papunta na sila dito sa city. Sabi niya dito na lang ako maghihintay kasi yung mother-in-law ko nandito na daw. Sabi niya, it's okay, don't rush kasi papunta pa lang daw sila dito. So, makikita kami dito sa Burke Street, guys. So, magtingin-tingin muna ako dito while waiting for them. Gusto kong bumaba kasi nasa baba yung mga bongga. I'm not even looking for anything in particular. That, loving my hair. May pop-up yung Louis Vuitton dito. Oh, lovely. Ay, ang ganda nito. Oh. I love that one. The micro na Alma. Dior, guys. Kakaloka eh. I'll go have a look at Celine. Chloe. Tingin-tingin lang. Ibug-ibug. I don't like Chloe bags. For my Celine. Ay, Josh, how are you, Baba? Pwede lagi, guys. Oh, napapa ang kasama, guys. Sila nyo ang damit. Wala na sakto. How are you, baby? Good. Thank you, baby. What's Benny doing?
Sleeping.
Benny? Ay, is she sleeping? For real?
Sleeping.
Legit?
Cheers.
Oh, she's sleeping. Aww.
She didn't put her seatbelt on.
Yeah, she's got nothing but on.
I did not have it on.
I can't put on.
Huh?
I can't put on. It's also too.
I gotta fix your clothes lang, be.
Okay, there.
Fix her clothes. Here, here. Come, where did you go? Yeah?
We only went to a park for a second.
Yes.
Only for a second.
Why? Cold?
Like, for sleep.
Crying?
Not because like outside was flying.
Where? I've got hair tie. So cute. It's just the basic. Bili ako ng ganito sa H&M. H&M guys. Sus, ilang piraso lang? $6. Ay.
Cute. They're so cute. So cute. Why they're so cute?
And you walk.
There. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we catch a train.
Huh? Where are we going? Oh yeah, for... Yeah, look at Scottsdale.
Tram goes that way.
Where's the museum? Museum is there. Isn't that the museum we're going to? Ah, gallery. Oh, it's still at the one. Where did you get the potato lang?
I got it from the front of the gallery. There's like a shop and they sell like those. Yeah? Can I have it back?
Where? Show me. You see the future.
Yeah, that's one.
Melbourne Museum. I don't think I've ever been to the museum.
Oh, it's cool. Why you have?
Where?
Remember we went to the museum and we saw like all of the animals?
Yeah, that was in Brisbane. Talking about here in Melbourne.
Oh.
Yeah.
I've only been to the art gallery.
Yeah, art gallery. I've been there with you when you were a baby many times.
I know.
It's absolutely
Freezing.
Yeah, it's
I love that. It's freezing.
So cold today. Jesus.
I'm not cold.
careful with Colleen.
I'm not cold even though I have cold stuff.
One there, Mum.
Oh, I think that's the exhibition buildings. It's a lovely old building, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pick up there first.
Oh, yeah. We're inside the gallery now.
With Byenan, we'll go and have something to eat. I'll ask you how much
I'll fix your hair. I love you. You're my T-Rex. Are you my T-Rex?
Scary. It looks like he's actually for pizza.
Oh yeah, have a look there. Like, oh. Burger.
I can eat one.
I might have one. Can I have one? Maybe, sure. That looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah. Fish and chips.
You can have one of these. Or a chip.
Well,
Like that.
Fried chicken. Joby gets it all the time. I think we have. Have we had that here today? Yeah, we had it the other week, the other night.
Nini chicken.
Yes, 2 days ago.
Chad's thing.
Mix it. Shake it.
Wow, that is giant, Baba. Oh my god. Massive python.
Daddy, that's a real snake bite.
in Malaysia, we went to the
But-
snake temple and I touched
Real what? Oh my god.
and it was an albino
It's a python.
python, so it was a white,
The white, yeah.
and it was bigger than that. And I am terrified of snakes.
That's so scary in here.
He's scary.
These are all the bones of dinosaurs.
Real dinosaurs.
Oh my god. Amazing.
So you know how you have
It's fossil.
the police
Look at that, Ling.
What's that, mummy?
Crocodile! It's so cool here. It feels like totoo ba? Wow. Lini, look at me. Bob, it feels like the holograms. So beautiful. That.
Thunder, give me a big one.
Yes, my love.
Fascinating shaped and polished.
So
The
beautiful.
light is focused in to give it this brilliance. This is a natural quartz crystal that hasn't been cut and polished and shaped. These faces the way that nature
Come
is.
here.
Geominerals are crystals, which means they're made up.
That's why I was making it out. Mommy.
You sit here, Abigail.
Look what's in those jars. Look at those spiders.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, you're creepy.
That's three spiders.
Look at this.
Spider.
Beetles.
Nola. Give me a
Now 5 o'clock. We just finished sa museum, guys. Lalakad kami papuntang tram stop kasi mag-tram kami pabalik ng city. At alam nyo ba, ay mag-meet kami ngayon ni mag-meet kami ngayon ni Ems, yung kaibigan ko, guys. So makikita daw kami sa Burke Street. Magdi-dinner kami together. And kasi uuwi na kami sa Sunday at hindi pa kami nagkita. Hindi ko makikita lahat ng mga kaibigan ko, guys. Oh my God. Sobrang short time lang. Ito yung gusto ko, guys. Oh, sa Melbourne, yung mga old buildings nila. Very nice. Careful, ma'am.
Nana. Is this us?
Yes. Yeah. Go, go. Yeah. Mike was probably overthinking. Nasa chum si baby Celine. She's very well. Yeah. Bumper jackets in there. I love you, baby.
I check out at 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, and I might just quickly grab a coffee and then.
Andito na daw si Ems sa Zara. Ayan. Sabi ko sa harapan ng Zara kami magkikita. Okay, we'll just cross here. Oh, we can go, Bob. Cross this way.
looking back.
Look, Christian.
Zay, wala mo na siya kailan ako.
Maujud, maujud.
Wala mo na siya kailan.
Good, how are you?
Hello! You remember me? Wala mo na siya kailan ako. You don't know me, do you?
That's Tita Ems. That's Titi Ems.
You was still baby. The last time you saw me.
Aww, how are you today?
Okay lang.
See you. Oh, baga. Ay, sakit sa uy. Oh, tinggo. Pakila ko rin ka. Oh, biyag kita. Wait, what do you say to Tita Ems? Rini, what do you say?
Thank you, girls. Don't you say thank you first?
I can tell you. See?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grabe grateful ka siya. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, Ate, can I open it?
Ate can help.
I don't know how then.
Can you, I'll just order ba before, just, stay here. Guys, tingnan nyo kung sino ang nakita namin dito. Oh, di ba?
Ganda.
So, hindi namin pinano pero nakita kami guys. I'm super happy. This is Madam Marilyn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ay, maha pala to siya. Maharot.
Alam, maharot, mahablangka. Hello!
Yes.
Namiss ko talaga to.
Yeah, so good to see you
Like
again.
me. Oh, ingat ka ha, basta pag ulit.
Actually, hindi pa tayo nakita even before kami umalis.
Oo
So,
nga eh.
mga 10 years na?
10 years na siguro. Siguro 10 years eh. Maganda pa rin tayo, di ba?
Yes,
Oo, di
hindi
ba?
halata.
Kahit mga haggard sa kote mo, maha pa rin.
Di ba? Oh, di ba?
Sabi ganun eh. Sige naman. Ingat ka.
Thank you.
Bye, girl.
Thank you sa pag-stop. Oy, bye-bye ta. Bye-bye tita. Bye-bye.
Chika, uwi ka naman ng ano? Sama na pa. Sama na ito. Ayaw na namin kasi magluto. Malapit ka lang ate? Hindi, sa Truganahin na, sa Tarnit. Asa? Tarnit. Alam mo yung point ko? Tarnit, yun.
We are playing guys. Doon na namin yung mga bata dito. Pati ang matanda ay playing. Diba? Lights everywhere, mirrors everywhere dito guys. Tayo dito ito, picture tayo. Okay, hayag ka day. Taas na tanawang dito tayo. Taas na tanawang dito kayo. Nakahanap mo nilang kuan na. May nakaslant na ng Be, tanawang bila na itong ka. Padahapon nila eh. Padahapon na mo day. Sus, kung dili mo makuha sa Oreo, may pagipalit na nato Oreo ang 20 na to.
Pero kung ka nalingaw, paano kung ka?
Oh, pun lagi. What did you get? Show daddy. Show dada. Show dada.
You
What
wanna
you get?
play it? You play it. I have
Show dada. Hey.
Ready? Thank you.
Oh. Nakaalis na si Ems guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Coco Black. Before kami mag-catch ng tram, bumili ako ng hot chocolate. Excuse me. Beautiful cute! Nag-stop kami sa Asian shop. Oh. Kabili sila ng lip gloss. And tingnan nyo. Oh. Nak, do you like your duck hair clip? Tik. Look at this chocolate. Uy! Maybe not, right? Ask, please. My goodness. Ang late guys. $3.20.
There, yeah, your chocolate's free. Done.
Yeah? Guys,
You want it?
for this small, $8.50. But this is the best though. So it's all worth it.
Sit it. Oh, good. Sit in the prime now, Lee.
Tingnan nyo guys, ang regalo ni M sa mga kids.
What happens if Lee walks
We
over?
put both of them sa bed
I didn't put on the bed, the other one I put on the bed.
and they
Lane, watch
roll
out.
down dito sa baba guys, and I think they bang together. Tingnan nyo, nasira na. Regalo pa naman to ni M sa kanila. Gotta get someone para maglinis dito sa ano kasi may mga
There's such a big mess up.
little pieces of ano, glasses everywhere.
Nice.
Pakita ko sa inyo yung pinamili namin sa city, guys. First this one, be. Pumunta ako ng Calvin Klein. Bumili ako ng bra. Yes, guys. Bumili ako ng bra kasi I can't remember the last time bumili ako ng bra. At alam niyo ba, yung size ng aking bra ngayon and size ng bra ko when I was pregnant with Celine in Paris, iba. So, lumiit na siya, guys, obviously. Nag-slowly nang wala ng gatas, kaya lumiit na siya. So, dalawa yung binili ko kasi may ano sila, 30% off kapag dalawa yung binili niya.
What is that, Mama?
It's bra. Bra. So, yung binili ko ay isang strapless. Ayan. Pero meron siyang strap. You can wear it like strapless. And then, merong, isa na may strap na ganito. So, ang price nito ay $99.95. So, basically, $100 each. Actually, I know this one, the strapless is $90 and this one is $100. But 30% off kasi dalawa. Gusto ko yung mga bra ng Calvin Klein. Itong suot ko na bra ngayon, Calvin Klein din ko siya. Sobrang tagal na sample. Ang ganda yung kanyang quality at very comfortable siyang isuot. Kaya lang, itong suot ko ngayon, sobrang laki na. Parang foam na lang to siya ngayon ang nagdala. And then, ito, random na lang in random order. So, bumili kami nito. Tapos may isa, give me the clearing honeybee, please. Kasi ano siya guys, if you buy 2, you'll get 1 for free. So, parehas kami ni M. Kay M's actually orange. Bigay ko sa kanya souvenir namin. And ito yung sa akin. And then Ate Paris pick this one. Then, pumunta kami ng Asian store. Bumili kami ng ito. So, Nini, show your, this one on your head. There. The duck. And then, bumili kami nito. Lalagyan ng contact lens ko, guys. Very cute. And pakita ko sa inyo yung contact lens na binili ko kanina. Kasi itong suot ko ng contact lens ngayon, guys, it has to go. I've had this one for over a month now. Kasi yung mga contact lenses ko, guys, monthly siya. And ito siya, I think, ginamit ko na siya over a month. So, kailangan ko nang mag-change. Itong exact one, wala silang stock, unfortunately, sa power ko kasi ako -3. So, meron sila na hazel, tsaka gray. Hazel, tsaka olive. Ibang brand ito. So, hopefully, this will suit me. Kasi ito, gusto ko to, guys. Kasi very, tingnan nyo, very natural lang siya. It doesn't make my eyeball look big. Kasi yung iba, diba, parang dull look. Yung para kang tsaka dull. Hindi bagay sa akin. Bagay sa iba, pero hindi sa akin, guys. So, may pa-free silang ganito, lalagyan. And then, ito siya, Olens. Hazel. And ito siya, Olens, pero olive. Ayan siya ang kanyang. So, hopefully, I think I'll wear the hazel tomorrow. Ito siya, i-dispatch ako na kasi medyo na yung pag matagal siya sa aking mata ay nakaka-dry. And then, I've got this one. Oh, that's cute, Baba.
Ate.
I went to Perfect Stranger kaninang umaga, guys. Nakita nyo, nag-try ako. This is in size 10. I was looking for size 8. Nak, careful. Not here lang. Not here. Go on that side, please. But unfortunately, they don't have the size 8 in stock. At yung size 10 naman, okay lang naman siya sa akin. But I wanted something na parang naka-push pa siya ba. But size 10, I can make it work. May pants to siya, guys. Oh, sobrang ganda nito. Siguro, the camera won't give it justice kasi hindi pa siya suot. But pag sinuot na to siya, it's perfect. Ganyan siya sa likuran. And yeah, size 10. May pants to siya, guys. But unfortunately, yung size ng pants na naiwan, size 16. Oh my God. Like, dalawang ako ang makapasok doon kasi size 8 ako. But yeah, this is not very cheap. But this is staple. I think like, you know, you need to have something like this, like even just one sa wardrobe mo. And yeah, paid ayan, $80 for it. But yeah, it's something that, you know, will stay in your wardrobe for a long time. And then, yung ibang binili ko pa dito ay yung socks. Yung socks ay 3 for $20. So this is very cute. Look at that. Look at this. Nak, look at these socks lang. Super cute. And then when we bought something from the Asian shop, nagbigay yung babae sa kanila ng kasi cute daw yung mga girls natin.
Mama, look, I opened my new shop.
And then hair ties. Bumili ako from H&M. My God, ilan lang ba to? $6. Ganito lang. Ay, Diyos ko.
Guys, I don't think you can see the writing, but I opened on the shop and it's called Pikachu Nail Salon. I can't move here because there's like broken glass on there. Like, can you carry me? So, this is all the stuff we can do. We got all of these Pikachus made. Mama, you might honor to show these stickers to them, nail stickers. That's the nail stickers of Pikachu. We do Pikachus and another style too that I can do. I could do these styles. I could do these styles. Now can you show them? I drew them.
Good job, Baba.
So I have like this gel pen. And it works on nails. It's actually a pen for drawing, but you can actually do on your nails too, because like it draws as well. You just have to get the ink out. So when we do this, we have to get ink. No, there's ink. Okay. If you come and you're one of the first people, I'm gonna ask you if you want a little Pikachu squishy, because I made these little squishies and Pikachu's on it, and it's so cute. I have two for 2 people, and I could also like sell this little. Actually, no, I can't sell this, but I'm gonna give this to my dolls.
Yeah, tomorrow is going to be a busy day again, guys. Kasi, where are we going tomorrow, Ate?
The zoo!
We're going to the zoo tomorrow, so. Ilo, naon sa naman sad na anak? Naon sa nasad ni Celine?
Silly, mommy.
You're silly! Look at your face!
Showing, mommy. Showing, mommy.
It's okay. Enough done. You don't put it around here lang. You put it on your lips only.
Okay.
Anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. We're going to end it now. Thank you very much for always watching. Pagsubaybay sa mga vlogs natin. You wanna say bye-bye na? Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
Okay, and the first
Bye.
people to come, I'm gonna ask them if they want these little squishies.